Hey, what is up, guys? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this beautiful, stylish motion design, the motion gradient, the circular animation. This is really cool. You can create this. So this is really easy. And let me show you how you can create this beautiful motion design. So first of all, let me delete all of my assets. And this is actually my background. So let me create it again, new solid, and just add any color. Now I'm going to add a gradient ramp effect and just change the color to darker and just select the radial ramp, adjust the color a little bit, delete this one. Now I'm going to add text. This is my text, stylish. That's the first, a pencil type stylish text. I'm just choosing this font, and now I'm just adding my next text, which is, let me add motion design. This is just for demonstration. You can add any text, just change the effect, the font, and adjust the bold text. So as you can see, these are my text and these are my settings. Now I'm going to add a ellipse tool. To adding perfect ellipse tool, make sure to hold the Control Alt and drag like that. Let me change the fill to white, stroke to none, center it, center the anchor point, and now this is, let me add layer style and gradient overlay and another layer style, bevel and emboss. Make sure add these two, go to the gradient, and now select edit gradient and select the darker color for your ellipse tool. I'm just selecting these two darker color. You can copy me, and these are my darker color. Now I'm just going to bevel and emboss. Size is 1 and the opacity is 90% and the shadow is 0. So now duplicate this under that, and that is stroke. Name it stroke. Now I'm just delete the layer style, okay? And just turn off the fill, adding the stroke to gradient. And now I'm just adjusting the gradient colors. So I just choose these two color and make sure to just, stroke around 50%, 50. So I'm just adding 50 is good. Yeah. And now I'm going to play with the trim path, adding trim path. Go to the trim path and start to 75. Just increase to 75. And now I'm going to add a taper of this stroke. So go to the taper section as here, adding 100% start, 100% advance. So as you can see, it's a beautiful taper. And there we go. Actually, one thing I forgot in the main rectangle, go to the select any, color. I just select the green one. As you can see, let me show you the lighted green. If I hide the stroke, as you can see, it's a little bit of color you see, as you can see. So this is the color. Okay, now I'm going to add deep glow on my stroke and just increase the radius. And now I'm adding Gaussian blur, and on top, just drag on top, select 30 blurriness. It's perfect. And make sure to hold Alt and R, rotation time stroke 150. So this is our rotation. It will continuous rotate. And now I'm adding adjustment layer and adding noise and set the value to 3 and uncheck this box. First one. And now I'm just drag up my text color. Text. So this is actually really beautiful. Now I'm just adding one more thing to just adjust the setting, the color of this stroke. If I go to the content, ellipse, gradient stroke, as you can see, this is my color. And if I adjust it, As you can see now, it's show the boot color. So you can adjust according to your need. And I think this is perfect. You can change, your color according to your need. If you like red, you can choose the red one as well. But I'm just stick with this color. This is beautiful. And now I'm just adding stylish text animation. Go to the animation composer and I'm just choosing the fade, start fade, this one, adding that. And I think that's perfect. I don't need any setting. Let me expand this. Go to the advanced. Yes, yeah, that's the animation of the text I want. Now let me add on another text animation, and I'm just searching for yeah, that one. I'm just adding this one. Yeah, these are the boot text, animation. You can add it from the animation composer. So if I play this, as you can see, it's really beautiful. It's really stylish. You can play with the text. You can play with the color. And this is a really amazing motion graphic you can create in your client videos. Let me delay this stylish text and the motion design text a little bit. So as you can see, this is how you can create this beautiful motion design inside After Effects. And it's super easy. I hope you enjoy my tutorials. Please subscribe and support me. Thank you so much.